In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add sick note to Universal Credit. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly add a sick note or any other documents related to your health to your Universal Credit account. To do this, you have to visit the UK government website. So go to www.gov.uk on a web browser on your computer or your phone, whatever you prefer. In here, under Services and Information, you will be able to select Benefits. Now you can see a lot of topics, and you can either just click the option to sign into your Universal Credit account right away, or scroll down and you will find more information regarding this. As you can see, it is going to be under Benefits and Financial Support if you are disabled or have a health condition. In here, you will be able to learn how this works and how you can submit documents. So you have plenty of categories. Find out what you could get, benefits and financial support, work-related and armed forces injuries, and so on. So browse through all of these. Whenever you click on any of these, you will be able to see instructions on what you have to do. Now, usually, you will be taught on how to submit those documents, but to keep it simple, all that you have to do is click on the option to sign into your Universal Credit account. So as you can see on this page, health conditions, disability, and Universal Credit, they teach you how to report your health condition or disability. When you apply, you can report if you have a health condition or disability that affects your capability to work. Then all that you have to do is choose the options to sign in here. So click on your Universal Credit account, sign in, and you will be able to submit any necessary documents to show any disabilities that you might have. So after you do this, it is going to be saved into your account and you will be able to add your sick note. I hope I was able to help you on how to add sick note to Universal Credit. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.